Okay, we're at the hotel. I don't know what to say.
Relax. This is the reception. And he's the receptionist. If you already booked a room, say, I have a reservation. If you don't have one, say, I'd like to book a room. Then they'll ask for your ID or passport. Show it and say, here's my ID. After that, they ask you to pay. You can say, I'll pay by card, or I'll pay by cash.
What about these giant suitcases?
That's called luggage. If you need help with that, ask, can someone help me with my luggage?
And who carries it?
A porter. Useful person.
Weird name. I need one.